Hey guys, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. So let's get started. So if you have this problem, then I have the solution for you. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we're going to go into App Store and search for Spotify. This is a very important step that you get your Spotify app updated. Whether you are on Android, on the Play Store, you would need to update your app to the latest version and make sure that you are installing this from either App Store if you are in iOS or Play Store if you are on Android. And then once you have successfully updated that, you can now open right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account that you have been using Spotify on. And then once you're logged in, then now you want to go into your browser. In my case, it's this one. Go to google.com, search for Spotify Wrapped, and then from here, just tap here on your 2024 Wrapped. Right here on this result, tap on that, and then boom, here we have it. We now have our Spotify Wrapped right here. So that is basically how you can fix that. Make sure that you do those first essential steps. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.